Hey Reffett, don't you love being a kid and not having to deal with hazardous earthquakes all the time?
Oh, I love being a kid.
Watch out, the earthquake is coming!
Oh, earthquakes! What should I do?
What should we do?
Stop right there. I am the weather pimp from the Germans. Alright, before an earthquake, have disaster plan in case happen. Then, during it, if you are indoors, stay away from windows. They will break, kill. Be sure to stay indoors while the shaking happens and stay there. Now after the shaking stops, check for any injured persons in the household. Inspect your home for any severe damage. And that is about it. So I will be back. The weather pimp out.
He's a good guy, really.
Hopefully no floods happen today.
Yeah, I do hope no floods happen, Nick.
Yeah, I hope not.
Ah, flood!
Drowning!
Nick, I'll save you.
We need a fireman or something to save us. Help, where's a fireman when you need one?
I'll save you, kids. Gotcha. There was a lot of things these kids did wrong. I will explain soon enough once I get these kids back to the station. Kids, you are in big trouble this time. During a flood, you have to remember some key facts. 1, you gotta move to a safe area fast and quickly as possible, okay? 2, you gotta move to higher ground, son. The highest ground floor of your home. Gosh, come on. Another key subject is to avoid low areas such as canyons and pits and stuff like that, because floods just love those areas. Also, you kids should never play around high water and or steam drains, storm drains. Yeah, you heard me. That will get you seriously hurt and or killed and or hit with like a rock or something hard. One more thing. If told to evacuate, do so immediately. Water is dangerous. You could drown.
Yes, sir. Snake Plissken here in Tornado Valley. Tornado or not, I have to save this wild animal. It's almost endangered. Looks like there's a big one coming in. Look at that distance. Oh my god. My car doesn't have enough horsepower to handle this one.
Stop! Unfortunately for Snake, we could not save his life during this tornado. But luckily for us, we could save this young precious Reffett cat that Snake was trying to accomplish to save during this tornado. He made a lot of mistakes during the situation. 1, it's just a stupid animal. You do not need to save it. You should have gotten to a basement. You should have gotten to a basement as quickly as possible. You honestly need to get to a basement. If you do not have a basement, go to an interior room without windows. The lowest one in your house. Shut up! The lowest one in your house. The possibility of a tornado getting you there is very low unless you live in a shack and or shanty and or clubhouse. Stay away from fallen power lines and or damaged areas. The wind can blow and you might get hurt. If you live in a mobile home, get out immediately. You need to find a tornado shelter. These things are very hard to come by, but I'm sure there is one in almost every town. Yeah, if you can get under a good, sturdy piece of furniture, that will help. It's like a table and desk.
It's kind of cold out. Seems like a good temperature for a winter storm. Ah, blizzard! Ah! I wish I knew safety tips. Ah!
Snow angels.
Snow angel.
We're in the weather hot seat. What did you learn about your winter storm incident?
After reviewing my journal, I realized that there's a few things I could have done to save my frostbitten toes. I could have had a warm coat on, some gloves, and a hat. I also could have stayed indoors completely and not even went out in the blizzard. I also should have had a full stomach, and I should have had a lot of water near me so I could drink it. I also should have had my car nearby, just in case this sort of thing would have happened. I also should have let someone know where I was going, just in case this sort of thing would happen.
Good report, Mr. Reffett. Oh, what is this hat you have here?
Can I just go home, Mom?
Hello there. In today's video, you learned various ways to protect yourself against weather hazards. I hope you enjoyed it. We did a lot. In the next slideshow, you will see the various cast members that we used in this film. Good night, everybody.